ठीक है मतलब मैम you can also say yes I'm ready वो silent वाला अच्छा था but we'll get to it. Everybody on my left, are you guys ready? Okay. Now everybody together. When I say Rukhna, you say Mushkil hai. Rukhna. Yes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are here to witness the launch of Shell Lubricants' new brand ambassador, who will be the face of its brand campaign, Rukhna Mushkil hai. Here to share more insight on this inspiring new campaign, we have Shell leadership team, Dibanjali Sengupta, country head, Shell Lubricants India, and Mr. Amit Gugre, automotive sales and marketing manager, Shell Lubricants India. Can I have a round of applause for them? Yeah, I see the Shell family clapping over there. Where is my media family out here? Come on. Yeah. Now, to tell you a little bit about them, Dibanjali Sengupta has been with the brand for the last 18 years and has a rich domain experience at the company. She's been driving Shell's lubricant business with 300 plus FTE, strong cross-functional team responsible for manufacturing, selling, and marketing lubricants to automotive and industrial customers in the country. Guys. And give a warm welcome to our brand ambassador. Come on, claps everybody, let's go. If you want to stand up, feel free. It's your time. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our new brand ambassador.
Welcome aboard.
Yes! Come on, everybody, keep the energy up. Give it up for none other than Shahid Kapoor. Woo! Come on. Turn it up. Everybody in the house. We need that energy, let's go! Give it up for none other than our brand ambassador, Shahid Kapoor! Woo! Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. And for a lot of you, this is the surprise that we promised. Get your hands up, come on! Get your hands up, get your hands up! Everybody, give it up for Yogendra Satam. Everybody get your hands up, come on. Hands up. Hands up, come on. Come on, media family. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, it's that time. Put your hands together and welcome our brand ambassador on stage, Shahid Kapoor. Let's go. Guys, we need some more energy in the house. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody, get your hands up. Come on. Give it up for our brand ambassador, Shahid Kapoor. All right, everybody in the house, make some noise. I can't hear you. Come on. Why are you so quiet? I can't hear you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, may I request the Shell Inspirers to please come on stage for a photograph with the team right here. Shell Inspirers, please come up on stage for a quick photograph. Yes, come through, come through, come through. All the Shell Inspirers in the house. Woo! Everybody get your hands up, come on. If you don't have a camera in the house, I need to see some hands up in the air. Wave them around like you don't care. Because this is the moment that we're here to celebrate. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, give it up for our Shell Inspirers! Yeah! Whoever made some noise over there, I'm with you. All right, Shell Inspirers, thank you so much. Shell Inspirers, thank you so much. Gladson right here. I love that entire attire with the multi-instrument. Thank you so much. See you guys. Right, guys, if you would love to come a little ahead. Photographers, you can come forward to take the picture of Shahid, Debanjali, and Amit, who are on stage right now. Put your hands together, everybody.